if this thermal oxidizer had to come down, the entire plant would come down. The result of that would be roughly $15 million a day profit. My name is Dan Campbell. Here at IGS, one of my focuses is working with international energy organizations on increasing their efficiencies, whether that be from an emission standpoint or with the reliability of their assets. So this particular refinery had a single SRU, and coming off the back end of it, they of course had an incinerator or thermal oxidizer. The client had contacted us. We were involved with them for many years in a variety of applications, but we never specifically worked with them in the application that was causing them problems. Adding to the complexity, it's a very large plant. And as we started talking with the customer, we realized that if this thermal oxidizer had to come down, the entire plant would come down. The result of that would be roughly $15 million a day profit. The client was obviously very motivated to solve this problem, solve it quickly. In order to do that, we would obviously be working on a live unit. And there's a number of concerns that they had regarding that, the largest of which being a safety issue. So we were able to quickly respond to this with some of our subject matter experts. And on a phone call, we were able to alleviate their fears in terms of how we would execute this project and our ability to do it safely. Once those fears were alleviated, we quickly mobilized the team to site and were able to work for about 2 weeks at the plant to alleviate the hotspots that were occurring in their thermal oxidizer. So by utilizing our resources, our experience, and alleviating their fears in terms of the complexity of the project and the safety issues that occurred, we were able to solve the client's problem and save them a significant amount of revenue.